Welcome to paradise. Welcome to paradise. Welcome to paradise.
So, week 9 is a very important week because we are beginning to culminate everything we've done for all the other weeks, right? And you've got you had your plant guild design project, but this is your first major piece of your final design project, really. This is really the beginning of your final design project. So you start with the Zone 1 microclimate design. So a few things that I want to point out about what we expect for this assignment is we want you to design for 360 degrees around the central building of your site. Now, it may be that your Zone 1 is not actually wrapping 360 degrees around the building. It could be that one side of the building is something other than Zone 1. So if that is the case, we are still asking you to design for 360 degrees around the building. So remember that your 360 degree design around your structure, the goal is to work with the different microclimates around the structure and put in design features that enhance the energy efficiency and comfort of the structure. So we really want you to think about the structure itself, and the design around it should really work with the structure to better the conditions of the structure, both energy efficiency, climatic comfort, as well as working with your own access and movement and circulation around the structure itself. So a question that we want you to ask yourself when you're doing this design is, where are you going to enjoy your landscape? Because the structure, oftentimes, if it is the house, it is really the Zone 0, the center. It's like another skin around yourself. And there should be a real interaction of the inside and the outside. So where are you going to be where you can enjoy the fruits of your labor and relax and be in your permaculture design? So one thing that would really help you with this assignment is to take the time and revisit your sector analysis before you start this assignment. Remember, you are 7 weeks wiser now than you were when you originally completed your sector analysis. So you may actually go back to your sector analysis and do some revision that you've had more time for observation and more time for that assignment to digest, because your Zone 1 microclimate design should be a very direct response to your sector analysis, right? So it would be good to show your sector analysis again with this assignment so your instructor can be reminded of what the sector forces are that are working on your site, and how it'll be more clear how your design is responding to those sector forces. So just want to remind you that you are now 7 weeks wiser, right? So that's all I can think of. Notice I put the solar panels on, including alternative energy systems in your Zone 1 microclimate assignment is very appropriate. Even talking about putting in other places of windows, attached greenhouses. There's all kinds of things that you can do to improve that Zone 1 microclimate design. And then your final design, so you should be thinking about your final design when you do this, because your final design, this is doing the core, and then next week's assignment, your final design will be expanding out from that core, right? So it's really the beginning of your final design. So awesome. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with. This is always a really exciting time in the class when we get to really see what has been bubbling inside your hearts and minds for the last 9 weeks. So enjoy it.